Hi class, I hope you're having a good snow day. I wanted to give you some information about the elevator pitch so that when we do get back together next time, we can do this as scheduled. Okay, so remember, we're aiming for 30 to 45 seconds. And the situation is that you are in the elevator with someone who could make a dream of yours come true. This could be an employment wish. This could be an idea, pitching an idea that you have to bring to market. It could be anything. And before you start, you get to specify who is in the elevator with you. So you don't have to specify by name. In fact, I'm going to give you my example. And you can use notes for this, but chances are you're not going to have your notes with you when you're in that elevator. So this is one of those things that memorizing might be a good thing to do. Okay, so my situation is I'm going to say that I am in an elevator with students who look really smart. Okay, so this happens to me all the time, except that I try to take the stairs. Okay, so it looks like you are a studious group of people, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about an organization that I advise at Lewis and Clark because it looks like you could potentially get an invitation. I advise Phi Theta Kappa, and Phi Theta Kappa is the only nationally recognized. It's the only national honor organization that Lewis and Clark recognizes locally, meaning that you would get to wear cords at our graduation ceremony, and we would put a little asterisk by your name that says you're a Phi Theta Kappa member. Now, our chapter is the Eta Psi chapter, and we pride ourselves on being an active group. We have in the past been a 5-star chapter, and pandemic kind of changed that a little bit last year, but we're still in good standing. So it is a great organization to join to fraternize with other smart people. We meet once a month, but there's no obligations of membership. So we try to have something that does fellowship, leadership, and scholarship every semester, and volunteerism. That's our 4 pillars. So we try to have one activity designed to go with each of those to get you active on campus and working with other smart people. So it looks like that might be a great organization for you to join. I'd like for you to watch your email for an invitation from Phi Theta Kappa. Once you have 12 hours of transferable credit and a 3.5 GPA, you will be invited. So check that out, and I hope you say yes. Here's some information about us if you'd like to check it out. So that's as easy as it is. I messed that up, and mine was a little too long, but you get the idea. You're with a group of people that has the potential of making your dream come true. My dream is to get more students in that active organization. So your dream could be that you work at a certain hospital, or that you have an idea for a board game, and this is Milton Bradley. And so you can get as creative as you want with it. I really want you to have a good time with it. But I want it to also be something that could benefit you in the future. Kind of like practicing an interview. Practicing an elevator pitch is a good thing to do. Stay warm, stay safe. I am an email away at eegrant@lc.edu. Remember, the big speech follows this. It's your self-speech. So that should be occupying the majority of your time. Enjoy your day.